What if the right tool could make a difficult job look ridiculously easy? From clever construction gadgets to powerful workshop machines, these 20 next-level tools are built to save time, effort, and frustration. Let's see what makes them so impressive. This diamond blade is built to cut through almost anything on a construction site, including concrete, granite, bricks, natural stone, and more. Its segmented turbo design delivers fast, clean cuts, while 15mm segments provide longer life. A reinforced center plate adds safety, making it a serious all-rounder for demanding cutting jobs. Turn your 40 volts battery into a portable power station with this 300-watt power source. It can run lights, fans, TVs, and laptops, while USB-C charging adds versatility. Pure sine wave technology protects sensitive electronics, and solar compatibility keeps you powered off-grid. This benchtop air filter tackles fine dust from sanding and power carving with dual fans pulling up to 400 cubic feet per minute through a 5-micron filter. 2 independently controlled motors and tool outlets add convenience, while the clear hood directs dusty air into the filter. Basically, your workshop gets cleaner without needing a dust storm. This cordless worksite vacuum handles both wet and dry messes while maintaining strong suction with manual filter cleaning. Its HEPA filter captures 99.95% of fine dust, while the flexible 2.5-meter anti-static hose improves reach. With up to 28 minutes of runtime in eco mode, it's compact, practical, and ready for demanding cleanup. This electric pressure washer delivers 2,200 pounds per square inch and 1.1 gallons per minute to blast away mud, grease, mildew, and grime. Its 13-amp motor, multiple spray tips, foam cannon, 25-foot hose, and 35-foot power cord provide serious cleaning power with plenty of reach. Compact and portable, it makes outdoor cleanup considerably easier. This kit quickly removes corrosion and dirt from HGV wheel studs and hubs, preparing them for safe wheel refitting. Designed for studs up to 28 millimeters, it connects to a 1/2-inch impact wrench and includes 6 abrasive discs. A simple solution for cleaner, faster wheel maintenance and less manual scrubbing. This compact LED headlamp delivers 210 lumens with a 24-meter range and up to 7 hours of runtime. 4 lighting modes, motion sensor control, and a rotating body provide flexible illumination. Weighing just 44 grams and rated IP54, it's a lightweight, practical choice for work, repairs, camping, and low-light tasks. This high-performance air body saw delivers controlled cutting with reduced vibration for greater comfort. Its versatile design handles metal fabrication, structural cutting, automotive body repairs, mufflers, and exhaust systems. Built for industrial and maintenance work, it combines reliable performance with precision and efficient cutting. This heavy-duty reciprocating saw combines a powerful brushless motor with low vibration for smooth, controlled cutting. Its quick blade change system, adjustable pendulum stroke, LED light, and 180-degree rotating blade handle different materials and awkward positions, while dust extraction keeps work cleaner. This multi-router turns complex woodworking joints into a much more controlled process. Its 2.25 horsepower variable speed router, digital controls, dust management, and precision templates handle mortises, tenons, dovetails, and box joints. With quick bit changes and adjustable clamping, it brings repeatable accuracy to serious woodworking without turning your workshop into a sawdust disaster. This cordless finishing nailer combines a compact, lightweight design with consistent performance in tight spaces and demanding conditions. With no gas or combustion chamber to maintain, it requires less cleaning and produces no fumes, combustion noise, or significant vibration. It also performs reliably in cold temperatures and high altitudes. This cordless power scrubber uses twin counter-rotating brushes to tackle dirt, grime, and algae on patios, terraces, boats, and more. Its brushless motor, adjustable head, telescopic pole, and hose connection make cleaning easier without bending or scrubbing endlessly. With IPX7 waterproofing, it can even work underwater for tougher cleaning jobs. This compact air duster weighs just 2.5 pounds but delivers air speeds up to 122 meters per second. Its variable speed trigger provides precise control, while continuous mode makes longer jobs easier. An included nozzle, LED light, and lightweight design make it useful for cleaning, maintenance, workshops, and hard-to-reach areas. This lightweight strap winder turns a cordless screwdriver into a fast tie-down strap roller. It handles straps from 25 to 50 millimeters wide, works with wet or dry webbing, and weighs just 185 grams. The upgraded Dinello clip also combines strap winding and clamping, making load securing faster and more convenient. This heavy-duty crimping tool handles copper terminals and sleeves from 6 to 50 square millimeters with precise hexagonal crimps. Built-in turret matrices and spring-loaded locks make size adjustments quick, while ergonomic handles reduce hand fatigue. With a durable steel body and chrome finish, it delivers reliable performance for demanding electrical work. This dual substrate pin fastens into both steel and concrete without changing fasteners, helping crews work faster with fewer interruptions. Ideal for MEP, framing, electrical and data center applications, it delivers reliable embedment while reducing downtime and keeping installation simple. This 0.9 horsepower air die grinder delivers 23,000 revolutions per minute for demanding cutting, grinding, and polishing tasks. Its precision, 1/4 inch collet reduces vibration, while the durable bearings and cylinder extend tool life. An ergonomic composite handle allows comfortable one-hand operation, making it well-suited for professional production lines and workshop applications. This concrete drilling machine handles cured concrete, reinforced concrete, brick, and block with diamond bits from 2 to 10 inches. A powerful motor, vacuum pump, sliding handle, and leveling screws provide precise drilling control. 2 large wheels also make transportation easier, while the central control panel keeps operation simple. This heavy-duty door clamp provides up to 1,650 millimeters of clamping length for securely holding large doors during installation or adjustment. Its 90 by 55 millimeter clamping jaws and sturdy 80 by 45 millimeter eye profile deliver reliable grip, while the 2,000 millimeter overall length gives plenty of reach for demanding door-fitting jobs. This insulation fastening system makes installation up to 4 times faster than traditional stick pins. It fastens directly to concrete, hollow block, and steel studs without adhesives, while its compact design reaches tight spaces. With 10,000 shots per charge and reduced push-down force, it saves time, labor, and operator effort. And there you have it, 20 next-level tools that could seriously upgrade your workflow. Some are clever, some are downright powerful, but every single one proves that the right tool doesn't just help the job, it transforms it. So tell me, which one's stealing your heart?